Okay, since the last time we showed you the 7-segment display, it was slightly different. For instance, when you go up to zero, it only goes when you go to 0 and down, it goes to 9 now. And if you go to 9 and you go up, it goes to 0, which is new. Also, we have plugged in a stepper motor controller, and here it is. What we've done is
this is the stepper motor.
Yeah. How it works is that there's 2 magnets inside the stepper motor, and the electromagnets inside the motor, and there's a main gear inside, and the teeth are specially aligned with the magnets so that it pushes it very precisely, and which means that we can do this thing where we have we can make it go from 0.
Let's put the motor right next to the
So
the number.
when it's at 0, it's basically at 12 o'clock. And you go to 1, it moves precisely to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. It also goes to the numbers which it did before. For instance, you do right, it goes to 9, and you do left, it goes to 0. You can also and middle goes to 5. You can also make it go in opposite directions. For instance, if I go up, it goes like that. If I go down, it goes like that. It goes in opposite directions because when it's going one way, the two ones are positive, and when it's going the other way, they're negative. But they have to go in a certain combination, so they have to go motor 1, motor 2, motor 1, motor 2. So
to make it rotate one way, the electromagnets are set up to attract the teeth on the gear in the middle, right? And to go the other way, the electromagnets operate to repel the.
Yes.
And then we had to do some special cases where, like, when you when you go from normally when you increase the number 1, 2, 3, 4, it just has to step a certain number of degrees based on the number, like plus 36 degrees, plus another 36 degrees, or minus 36 degrees. But when you go from 9 to 0...
So if we go to 9, so it's at 9, beforehand, if we did 0, we did 0, it would go the whole way around the clock. So it's a bit different now.
So we handled that special case by noticing, oh, this is going from 9 to 0, and we're just going to go straight plus. We're going to go 36 degrees that way, and if you go from 0 to 9, instead of going all the way around clockwise, we're going to jump just across minus 36 degrees anti-clockwise. So how did you calculate the distance that it travels each step?
Each step is a total of 36 degrees because the whole turn is 360 degrees, and we have 10 different ones from 0 to 9. So you divide 360 by 10, which gives you each movement of the stepper motor, which is 36 degrees. As I said before, it's very accurate.
Yeah.
It is.
Do you remember what voltage this motor needs to?
Yeah, I think it's a 5-volt stepper motor.
Yeah, this actually runs on a special 12-volt supply.
Oh yeah, 12 volts.
We have to use that extra big power supply.
It's 12-volt stepper motor, which we use the extra power supply over there. So this is the adaptation of the 7-segment display you saw last week. So that's it.